Today we will solve some mathematical questions. Question number 1 is a man sold an article for rupees 810, losing 10%. The cost price of the article is, we have to find the cost price of the article. This is selling price 810. Loss is 10%. We will find cost price. Selling price is equal to 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100 into cost price. Selling price is 810. So 810 is equal to 100 minus 10 divided by 100 into cost price. We do not have cost price, we have to find it. $810 into 100 is equal to 90 into cost price. Cost price is equal to rupees 900. Next question is, by selling a watch for rupees 840, a shopkeeper gets a profit of 20%. What is the cost price of the watch? एक वॉच को बेचने पर 20% का प्रॉफिट होता है और सेलिंग प्राइस है 840 का, तो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कॉस्ट प्राइस. Selling price is 840, gain is 20%. Now by applying formula, selling price is equal to 100 plus gain percentage divided by 100 into CP. Selling price is 840. Cost price is 700. Now let's move to question number 3. By selling a radio for rupees 1440, a person gets a profit of 20%. The cost price of article is, A man buys 20 articles for a rupee. How many articles for a rupee did he sell to get a loss of 20%? 20 आर्टिकल्स 1 रुपये में बेचे हैं, तो कितने आर्टिकल्स जो हैं वो बेचेगा जिससे उसको लॉस होगा 20% का। कॉस्ट प्राइस इज इक्वल टू 1/20 बिकॉज 20 आर्टिकल्स हैं। लॉस इज इक्वल टू 20%। वो 25 आर्टिकल सेल करता है तो उसको लॉस होगा 20% का। A fruit seller bought mangoes at a rate of 3 for rupees 2 and sold them at the rate of rupees 12 per dozen. Find his profit or loss percentage. Cost price of one mango is equal to rupees 2/3. Selling price of one mango is equal to rupees 1. Selling price minus cost price, 1 minus 2/3, 3 minus 2/3, 1/3. Gain is equal to 1/3. Now gain percentage, gain divided by cost price into 100, 1/3 divided by 2/3 into 100. A person buys 100 oranges for rupees 150 and sells 6 oranges for rupees 10. Find his profit or loss percent. Cost price of 1 orange is equal to, so if 100 oranges are of rupees 150, then 1 orange is equal to 150 divided by 100. Price divided by quantity. Selling price of 1 orange is equal to, six oranges for rupees 10. 1 orange is equal to 10 by 6. A man buys 1 dozen watches for rupees 3000 and sells 1 score watches for rupees 5500. Find his gains or loss percentage. 1 score. Cost price is equal to 3000 divided by 12. Cost price of 1 watch. Selling price is equal to 5500. 1 score is equal to 20 units. If an article is sold at a gain of 10% instead of being sold at a loss of 10%, one gets ₹10 more. What is the cost price? अगर एक आर्टिकल को हम बेचते हैं 10% पे इंस्टेड ऑफ बीइंग सोल्ड एट लॉस ऑफ 10% लॉस की बजाय अगर हम उसको 10% गेन पर बेचते हैं तो ₹10 ज़्यादा मिलेंगे. सो व्हाट इज़ द कॉस्ट प्राइस? Let cost price is equal to x, gain is equal to 10%, 110 divided by 100, because gain percentage plus 100 divided by 100 into cost price according to formula. Loss is equal to 10%. By selling a table for ₹276, a man gains 15%. Find the cost price. Selling price is equal to 276. Gain is equal to 15%. By applying formula, selling price is equal to 100 plus gain percentage divided by 100 into cost price. Anil bought an article for ₹200 and sold it at a profit of 10%. What would have been the increase in the profit percent? If the article was sold for ₹230, cost price is equal to ₹200, gain is 10%. So we have to find out selling price. Selling price is equal to 100 plus gain percentage divided by 100 into cost price. Selling price is equal to 100 plus 10 divided by 100 into 200. सेलिंग प्राइस इज़ 220. इफ़ ही हैड सोल्ड फॉर ₹230, अगर उसने 230 का बेचा होता तो 230 minus 220 is equal to 10. So profit is 5%. A man buys 2 hens for ₹500 each. He sold one for 15% profit and other for 5% loss. Find his profit percent. 2 हैंड्स जो है वो दोनों 500 की है, एक पर 15% का प्रॉफिट हुआ बेचने पर और दूसरी पर 5% का लॉस हुआ, तो उसे टोटल कितना प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज हुआ। कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 हैंड इज इक्वल टू 500, प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू 15%, selling price is equal to, we have to find out, selling price is equal to 100 plus 15 divided by 100 into cost price, 115 divided by 100 into 500, selling price is equal to 115 into 5, 575, selling price of 1 hand is equal to 575 and the other is 5% loss. Now we will calculate loss formula. Cost price of second hand is equal to 500, loss is equal to 5%, selling price is equal to 100 minus loss percent divided by 100 into cost price, 100 minus 5 divided by 100 into 500, so selling price is equal to 95 divided by 100 into 500, selling price is equal to 95 into 5. एक हैंड बेची है 575 की और दूसरी 475 की, तो टोटल सेलिंग प्राइस हुआ 1050। दोनों हैंड्स को मिला के 1050 सेलिंग प्राइस हुआ और टोटल कॉस्ट प्राइस था दोनों को मिला के 1000। तो उसने 1000 रुपये में मुर्गियाँ ख़रीदी थी और 1050 में बेची है, तो उसको फ़ायदा हुआ 50। Now we will calculate gain percentage. A trader professes to sell his goods at cost price, but he uses a false weight of 800 gram for 1 kg. Find his gain percentage. 1 kg की जगह पर 800 ग्राम्स तोल कर एक कस्टमर को दे देता है एक ट्रेडर, तो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि उसे ऐसा करने पर कितना फ़ायदा होता है। तो गेन परसेंटेज इज़ इक्वल टू एरर डिवाइडेड बाय ट्रू वैल्यू माइनस error value into 100. Let cost price is equal to, let cost price of 1 kg is equal to 100. Error value is equal to 200, क्योंकि 200 का उसने मेज़रमेंट नहीं किया है, तो दिस इज़ एरर। Now true value is 1000 gram minus error is 200 into 100. 200 divided by 800 into 100